My name's Luke. I live in Dunstable with my wife and 4 daughters. Because I work nights, I'm out the house 14 hours a day. And so during that time, my wife and kids are all alone, and so I want to make sure they're safe. We've got a Ring Doorbell 2 out the front, and we've got a spotlight camera on the back. A while ago, we had an incident at the house. My wife and I was in bed, about 1:30 in the morning. We got a notification on my Ring Doorbell app on my phone. So I opened it up and saw that there was someone actually in my porch. So I came downstairs to confront them. I opened the door and he'd already gone. So I looked on the actual video itself and he'd broken in through the door, and it showed me that he was trying to get underneath the mat to see if there was a key there so he can actually get into the house. We didn't want to phone 999 that evening because he never actually stole anything. But the next day, I notified the police and sent them an email with the video of exactly what had happened. The video clip allowed the police to see exactly who was in front of the camera and where that person was touching the door. And that allowed the crime scene technician to dust for prints. Thanks to the video clip and his fingerprints, that was enough to convict him. The most important thing for me is when I'm not here during the night, I need to know that the family's safe, and Ring Doorbell does that.